daw tuh aku kami tuh lagi kudu itu lagi aku so ganito aku terpaksa try makan lagi kapu. What's up, friend of the internet? Today is Monday, March the 20th. Please ignore all the noise. I don't know, I think there's some construction going on in my neighborhood. Anyway, it's 2 p.m. and I have a lot of chores to do today. I have to go to the bank, get my hair cut, and plenty of other stuff. Before I actually do it, there is this thing. It's actually from a friend of mine, and this is sort of like a souvenir of some sort. This he did include this cool badge. This is his clothing brand, TVR, Victorian Revival. I actually designed this for him. What do you think? You know what? Check them out on Facebook. They're really cool. Bunch of stickers, and this is it, the cherry on the top. Look at the tag. The tag looks actually good. It looks premium. Anyway, I designed this. Any of you guys out there who need a design service, let me know. Just hit me up. We can work something out. I'm currently jobless. Just like I said just now, I have a lot of things to do today, but before I get on it, I want to try this one trick. Huh? How does it look? The neck is a little tight though. Size S. I think I'm growing. Anyway, off to do some chores. I'm out. I'm done. That was fast. Got it. Changed my card. It was fast. I spent a good 30 minutes of my time in there. Now, off to another bank, because there is another bank that I have to change my card. If you guys are living in Malaysia, you know that we have to change our card before the end of the year. Old card, where you swipe the card and you have to put in you have to sign it. And what the hell, man? How am I supposed to get out? Later. I am now going to go cut my hair. It's getting longer. It's come to the point that my hair is frequently giving me a headache. I am now going to cut my hair at my favorite place. This is my favorite barber place. This is my favorite place to cut my hair. I mean, the uncle here is really friendly. Just the uncle. Take a good look at this hair. Next time it's going to be short. Very short. Adoy. Later. Woo! Look at my hair. That old man was awesome. If you ever need a haircut here in Sri Aman, that place is definitely worth checking out. Hi, rumahku. Ada barbecue sikit. Apaan kita ada barbecue? Hotel tadi, adikku pas tunang. Alam tu dia kira nak welcome orang Sapang.
Dari kurasa.
Dah ada aku lagi. King Koko. Kau tahu siapa bertunang? This is engagement day today, and this is Meme.
Kita semua excited.
So when's the tarikh keramat?
Tarikh keramatnya akan dibincangkan.
And is comment engagement day today.
Engagement day. Birthday itu celah. Aku ngata birthday is ke? Aku start apa birthday itu? By the way, aku dah potong rambut. Aku terkami lagi duduk lagi aku so kereta aku terpaksa try makan lagi aku challenge. Thank you. Congratulations to both of you and hopefully everything goes well. Sudah apa ucapan kah?
Sudah. Makasih beri peluang.
Nah, berada nak. Yoi, nak kau belum ni?
Dah apa?
Boring. Kau pun belum juga deh.